Hey, what's up everybody? It's J Bunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making for you the best mango cocktail that you will ever have, and I am using mangoes from my very own mango trees, picked from the mango trees at the peak of ripeness, so you know they're going to be extra sweet and delicious. And I just had to craft this perfect cocktail for all of you guys. So before we get into the rest of this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to stay tuned for more videos like this. I'm filming one great video a week for all of 2020. And yeah, let's get into today's video. The mango cocktail that I'm bringing you guys today is no regular cocktail. Not only is it using fresh mangoes picked right from my tree here in Miami, Florida, but it's also using Malibu rum with a Captain Morgan rum floater, and we're going to be rimming the glass with fresh lime juice and Tajin seasoning. So it's going to be really great, and it's something that you can enjoy on any day, especially a summer day. It definitely gives you those tropical vibes. And yeah, I definitely can't wait to enjoy it. So once you check out this video, go ahead and comment down below if you end up making it, because I know your friends and family are also going to love it. What you're going to need to make this delicious summer cocktail, aka the best mango cocktail that you will ever have, is a blender. I got this one here off of Amazon. You're gonna need 2 cups to serve your drinks in, or for however many people you're making the drink for. You're gonna need some Captain Morgan rum. I like the brown, but you can also use the white. You're also going to need some Malibu rum. You're going to need some fresh limes, and you're also going to need some Tajin seasoning. And then the final and main ingredient, lovely fresh mangoes, and also you're going to need ice to chill the drink. Okay, so first things first, get your knife and chop off the top of the mango, and then simply slice off the sides to get rid of all of the skin. Wow, this mango smells super sweet. And then you go ahead and you turn the mango over on the flat side that you cut, and cut alongside the pit, lengthwise both ways, to cut all of the meat off the mango. And then you cut the other 2 sides off. Whoa, check out these mangoes. And yeah, I'm just gonna chop the mango into a couple of larger pieces. It doesn't have to be too small because you're putting it in the blender. I did about 2 mangoes and I put them into the blender, and now I'm going to cut up 1 lime, and I'm going to simply take it and roll it on my cutting board, and then take my knife and cut it in half. And then I like to take my knife and do a couple cuts inside, and this helps you squeeze a hard lime and get all of the juice out of it instead of struggling to crush it all with your hands. Whoa, these limes look fresh. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get some ice from the freezer. So 1, 2... So there's no exact measurement, just go ahead and start putting in about 2 handfuls of ice. You just want to make sure that your mango is definitely super cold and kind of icy, because a cold cocktail is always a great cocktail. Okay, now the next ingredient we're gonna do is some pineapple juice. This is really going to kick off the flavor of the mango and the lime. It just gives it that third element that really sets this cocktail off in the right direction. So this is the pineapple juice that I got. I got the Dole 100% juice. Yum. So to estimate the amount of pineapple juice you're gonna put in, I filled it up 3/4 of the way up to the top of the cut mango that I put in the blender. Okay, so now to the super fun part is the Malibu rum. Malibu rum is so freaking good. It's just tropical fun in a glass, and honestly, it's my favorite liquor to drink. So yeah, let's add some. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do a 6-second pour, and I think this will make about 4 to 6 cocktails. So approximate based on that, but definitely use the amount of Malibu that is best for you at your own discretion. Okay, you guys, it's the fun part. We have all of our ingredients inside the blender, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the top of the blender, make sure that it's totally closed, and I'm going to start blending it on pulse. Once you do that, I like to ramp it up and keep it at a steady blend. Ooh, our cocktail is looking so good, and now it's time for the next element of the cocktail, which is to rim our cups with fresh lime and Tajin seasoning. And yeah, if you've never seen this spice before, you can definitely get it on Amazon. Rimming your glass is super easy. The first thing you need is your glass. I'm using one of these larger wine glasses, but you can really use any glass that you like. And then you go ahead and you take a small dish like this. You take your Tajin, you put it on the plate, cover the bottom of the plate in a thin layer of the spice. Then you're gonna go ahead and you're going to take a lime and you're going to cut a wedge. Then you're gonna take your cup and simply run the lime along the top of the glass. And then take the glass, turn it upside down, and gently pat it in the seasoning to coat only the top of the glass. It's just a little rim for extra flavor when you're taking a sip of your cocktail. And this step really gives it that professional look. Ooh, it's so yummy looking already. Look how it coated the top of the glass nice and evenly, and it looks like it's at a restaurant. So here it is. I did my 2 cups, both topped with the Tajin and lime rim. I'm going to take my mango, and you're simply going to carefully pour your cocktail into each glass. Yummy. And then we're going to take our Captain Morgan rum, and I'm gonna do a little floater of rum on top of the drink. This is kind of like, I'm taking this tip from a pina colada when you get a rum floater on a pina colada, but now this is a rum floater on your best mango cocktail you ever had. And a floater is just a little bit, so I do it in a little swirl. And then the final step, I like to garnish it with a slice of lime. So I have 2 slices just like this. You cut 1 slice to the middle, like so, and then it slips over the edge of the rim. Wow, it looks amazing. Here you have it, your beautiful, amazing, the best mango cocktail you will ever have. It looks so delicious. It has pineapple in it, fresh mango, fresh lime juice, ice with Malibu rum, and a Captain Morgan rum floater, and then of course with the Tajin and lime rim and additional garnish. This is summer in a glass. It's already May. Happy Cinco de Mayo. If you guys are at home celebrating, this is definitely perfect to make all week long. It is Cinco de Mayo week, so party it up. Cheers. So let's take a sip. Wow, it is so good and refreshing. Honestly, this is a really dangerous cocktail because you probably will not taste the liquor, you'll just be tasting the freshness of the fruit, but it is so good. With a little bit of the Tajin, wow, it really pops off. This is an amazing cocktail. I am absolutely loving it. Comment down below when you make it at home. Are you also loving it? Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you for my next one. Bye.